Hey queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Don't worry about my bracelet, y'all. My baby gave me a bracelet that I could shoot in. Listen, if y'all don't know about these, you're too young. Get your ass off this channel. Get off the channel. You're too young. But oh, you should know about it because he's 6 years old and he getting them. But anyways, I'm feeling better today. Feeling much better today. The day that I had pretty much my high function anxiety pretty much was going on. I had to really took a break and walked away from. I left everything how it was, and I went in the room, turned off everything, closed the door, and just laid across the bed to really just bring myself out of it. But I still wasn't pretty much brought out of it until I found that this new love is a new love for me. Y'all have heard it. Some listen to it. Some is their favorite. Jazz. Jazz soothed me so much. And I was just laying in the bed at this point, and I heard, who's the singer? I'm gonna have to put it on the screen because I can't think right now. But I was like, and I just felt my body just, relaxing as I'm listening to this song. I just was just relaxing, like everything just was like melting off of me. And I was in the feeling when I just pretty much came through after listening to the song, it just felt so refreshing. It just felt like a weight pretty much would lift off my shoulder. But I went and took me a hot bath too, and I listened to jazz while I'm taking me a hot shower and stuff like that. And I just found myself so relaxing. But because that day just was a bad day for me, and my mind was just going and going and going and going because so many thoughts was in my head of, you could do this, do that, oh, how about that, but no, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, you could do that then, but no, you got too much running for that. You need to take away some stuff. You need to get, because I don't want to live in chaos. And when I live in chaos, I can't think, I can't focus. And that's pretty much how I basically been gone for so long from my main channel, which is my DIY channel. Never expect for it to go that long. It's just that I can't think of no creativity. I don't want to create the same thing I've been doing before. I want to do something new. I want to do something bigger. I want to do something better, something different, but I can't get there. I can't get there because I can't focus in chaos. And that's pretty much how I felt like my home was pretty much it was. No matter how many times I change it around, no matter how many times I do this, do that, it's cute for a moment, but then it's go back to being, ugh. So, with that being said, I pretty much found me a new love, and that is jazz. And why I brought that up is because jazz pretty much brought me to the way how the living room is now, how everything is now. The day after I got up, put jazz on, I didn't listen to no YouTube or nothing. I didn't listen to no other podcasts or nothing like that. Because that's how I've been functioning, like listening to stuff in the background with YouTube. But all it did was just pretty much gave me more anxiety because it's like, okay, now I need to be doing what I need to do before I can push out videos while I'm watching other people's videos when I should be creating content too as well. So with the jazz, I was able to get most of this done in one day. Well, I would say majority of it in one day. Everything else was like the little put in the little knickknacks and stuff around the house pretty much was done the next day. But most of it was done the same day. Now, only thing I'm debating out of is basically the greenery or flowers. Greenery or flowers. Greenery or flowers. So that's the only thing I'm debating out of it now. But I also seen a lot of you guys comments too. What I read all the comments. I actually just went through all the comments, so I heard your comment. That's letting you know that I read your comment, because you didn't, like, if you didn't leave a question or something like that, I didn't answer it, you know, so I didn't reply to. I just put a heart. You know, that saved me some time too, because the comments can be overwhelming. But one of you queens actually pretty much hit the nail on the coffin, because I replied back to you stating, said, stay out of my head. But I love the way you think. I like the way that you think. So I think her name is Troy, Polly. Don't, you know what? I'm gonna mess up the name, so I'm gonna just put it on here on the screen. Shout out to you, Queen. Shout out to you, because you actually was the only one did think that way. A lot of you queens actually told me to put the couch back how it was, take it off that wall. Some of you guys told me to trim out the big mirror. Some of you guys told me just when I put the couch back floating like it was, put the two chairs on the side of the TV. Um, some of you all told me to move my console table, put my TV on them, but the only problem with that, I have the fireplace. That's pretty much why the TV is pretty much on to that console table, because of the fireplace insert in it. So I don't want to take that look unless I'm pretty much gonna mount something on the wall. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you all pretty much what I have came up with, and pretty much what I think gonna stay like this, and tell you all of some changes that I do want to make. Okay. All right, Queens and Keys. So here she is. That one queen pretty much nailed the head on the coffin. Like, she's pretty much the only one that said pretty much what I was thinking. Actually, when I thought about it the next day, I was like, this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Because I sat on the couch even more after I even ended the filming. I sat on the couch more, but that's when I went in the room. I was like, you know what? I can't keep doing myself like this. So this is pretty much what we came up with, what I came up with. And I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I really do think I'm going to leave it like this. So, put the mirrors back on the wall. Like I said, I'm debating out of the greenery or put my big old white vase with the flowers in it. But bring it up higher, because I want the height. I do want the height. And this is pretty much how I set the chairs. Now, this stuff that's in between the chairs, take my shoes off because I don't even want to step on the rug with shoes. I have two like L-shaped tables that's in storage that I'm planning on to put there, just to balance out the gold from the chairs. I'm gonna put them there, and one behind me, just to pull some of the gold on this side, you know, just to balance it off, like I said. But I like the way this look here. I thought about it putting it here, but you see it's not that much space. So I don't know, maybe I'll try it out, because I didn't try it out. I have to try things out to see how it would look before I can say, okay, hey, that would work. But it would just leave a little narrow walkway if I do put them there, but it still would be some room, as you all can see, because I pretty much lined the chairs up to just like that. But I was able to put my little glass back down there to give me some more storage, because I have so much decor, and that's what I'm debating with now, is taking away decor. But what pieces that I want to take away, because I'm in love with all my pieces. I'm in love with all my pieces. Now, the I keep calling it the ottoman, but this bench here, I want to reupholster it and paint it silver so it can have the same finish as the dining room table and stuff like that, in the console table as well. But the dining room, I'm still working on that, so I ain't gonna show y'all that. That's pretty much that catch-all area right now. But I like this setup. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do a makeover on this here. And then on the side of the console table, you see the wires and stuff. I'm basically gonna get some mirror paper like I did for the cabinets in the bathroom, and cover those on each end, so therefore you don't see that ugliness and things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this area here. I think that's it. um yeah, that's pretty much it. So I like that. Now let's move on over to this side, because I know you guys are anxious about how I did this side here. Now this side here is still work in progress. So I decided to go ahead with the canvas over there, and I'm just gonna have the mirror tilt like that, but I'm gonna rise it up some more because of the simple fact you see my head still pretty much cut off a little bit from this angle here. So I get close up to it, I'm cutting myself off, so I need to rise it up some more. So I'm thinking about finding a board or something to put it on just to rise it up. Would I trim the outlining of it? I don't know yet because it actually mimics the coffee table and the console table, the mirror console table behind me with no trimming on it. Like I want to balance the finishings off. Like I said, even when it come down to the bench, I wanted to paint it silver because they'll balance off the dining room table in the console table area. So obviously that console table is in the dining room area. So but this area here, this is how this look, and it's pretty much how it's going to look. I like how the flower look over there, I mean the plant, but then again I want to rise it up some more to bring it up a little bit higher. This basket here is right here where the pillow that Andre pretty much sleep on is and throws and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try to straighten it up a little bit more. And I just put a little furry rug here just to give the cute little accent area, so I still get my floor mirror pretty much that I've been dying and want. So yeah, so I don't know, like I said, it's pretty much the idea that I have going over here for this area. But I don't know if I want to put the greenery, keep the greenery in the living room, or put the flowers back in the living room, because I just think that black and white and that little pop of green just looks so good together. So I don't know. I'm still playing around with it. Now the sofa here, I decided to just go with 3 pillars on the sofa, and I'm just liking the little simple look of it. You know, not nothing, not too much or whatever. But this area here on the behind the chair is going to be where the other canvas is going to be at, that I'm going to DIY. Now I'm not sure if I'm still going to keep that like that or I'm gonna change it. I don't know yet. I'm still playing around with it, thinking about it. So that's why I put it there, but I do know that it's gonna stay there now that I done made up my mind. And this one here is the DIY canvas that I'm gonna do, which you most likely won't see it on this channel. You have to go to my main channel to see it. So check out Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs, and you will see any type of DIY I have made and create over there. Okay. Okay, so but I'm loving it how it looks. I love the reflection of the mirror that come to the kitchen area. So I love the way how they look, and just having that full body mirror, just you know, you get your cute little camera shots or whatever. So I like that. I really do like that. But now for the bed, because I know you all probably wondering like, okay, what you gonna do about with the bed? It actually can come all the way out, and it comes out to about the edge of this, about that much space in between from my hand and the bench like that. So I don't have to move none of this stuff here. So all this stuff is set in place like it is, and it does not have to be moved. But I do like that it gives me another seating area, conversation piece, more coziness and everything around the fireplace and stuff. We can look at TV and everything. So I did also thought about getting a bigger TV and put the TV on the wall. But I mean, like, okay, where I'm gonna put those round mirrors from? Where I'm gonna put those from? I don't know. So let me go over some stuff right quick, because I did had a couple of you guys down in the comment section did ask like, where did I get certain things from? Always remember to check the description. I have my Amazon store front there, and that pretty much stuff that I bought from Amazon is in this house. It's there, it's labeled there. So just check it out. But starting off with my rug from Wayfair. You guys know those 2 chairs are from Target. All the pillow covers are from Amazon. My coffee table is from Target.com. My console table, the mirror portion of it, is from Target. The insert, fireplace insert, is from Amazon. That big one round mirror there is from Home Goods. The ones 2 on the outside is from Amazon. My chandelier, part of it is from Amazon, the base of it and everything, but some of the crystals are actually glass, so therefore those are from Amazon. My curtain rods as well as curtains are from Amazon. Those plants, though, paradise, birds of paradise, I got it right this time, yeah, from Amazon. That throw from Amazon. This throw from Amazon. those chairs from Wayfair. My sofa is from Ashley Furniture. All the pillow covers are from Amazon. That big old mirror there is actually from Lowe's, but I think you can find it as well as Home Depot too as well. That picture there is a DIY of mine. You guys know I just got that basket there from Target. That furry rug is from Amazon. So and that's pretty much it what's going on in the living room. I'm about to say the kitchen. These books and stuff down here, hardback books, are from Amazon or TJ Maxx or Marshall or something like that. Those little brown vases and stuff, those came from my mama's house, but I bought them from her years ago. So, and you know, if you're not new here, you know I did have a brown sofa when I first started YouTube. So pretty much all the brown stuff that I did have was at my mama's house, and now I got it back. But those vases are from Home Goods and Hobby Lobby. Books from Amazon. The crystal candle holders are from Home Goods. This bank is from Z Gallery. This bust is from Amazon. Those coasters from TJ Maxx. That vase there is from Amazon or Z Gallery, one of the two. That's a DIY there. And that's pretty much it, Queens and Kings. That's it. Oh, these box here, mean boxes, are from Z Gallery. That mirror tissue box holder is from Amazon. And my little hookahs there is just pretty much where we're sitting at the smoke hookah because of the windows and stuff here. So we can open the window, let the scent out. But yeah, Queens and Kings, so that's pretty much it. That's everything. I like how I look. Now I will be trying to find something to cover that vent there. Yeah, the vent there. Those two pictures there will be moving out of the kitchen too as well. So I'm actually gonna give the kitchen a little update too, but that all will be in another video, Queens and Kings. So I just want to come on here and show you guys pretty much what I have done, what I came up with, and how everything looks. So yeah, I feel much better today. I found something to help me control that little anxiety, that overthinking. So, and I noticed a couple of you queens in the comments stated that you're Sagittarius too, and you guys do a lot of overthinking. Try jazz. Try to listen to some jazz. Something just coming, because I listen to it coming from work and stuff. So when I found out like that's how it made me feel, I want to chase that feeling again. You know how people say when people get a high and they keep chasing it and chasing it. That's pretty much what I was doing. That's how it was. But it helps me to do all this yesterday without overthinking, driving myself crazy, biting off my fingernails, because I do that too when I go in deep thought, which my daughter pointed out today. She noticed that. So yeah. But that is it, Queens and Kings. So I'm gonna end this video here. I just want, like I said, want to give you guys an update, pretty much a tour, and give you guys details of where I get things from and how I deal with my high function anxiety now. Jazz, my newfound love, Yeah, so I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed it, and if you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.